want to forget you and tell you how much I love you. I want to.
Hey honeys, it's Rochelle and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time to my pretty ass, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Because when it's looking, if you are part of the hive, welcome back, honeybees. So today in this video, I am going to be showing you guys what will be in your kit as an Aveda student in 2020. I am at the New Orleans location, so this may be a little different from other cities and other locations, but this is what I got in my kit. If you're interested to see what's in this kit, please continue on to the video. So as you guys know, I am an Aveda student in 2021. I said 2020 in the intro. I am an Aveda student in 2021, so I'm going to be showing you guys what all came in my kit. First things first, I got my name tag as an Esthesiology student right here. And so we have a big bag over here filled with Aveda goodies. I'm going to start with this one. So the tote is a part of your kit. And I have opened this bad boy for a few of my assignments in class already, so some of them will be opened. First thing we have here is an apron, which I haven't opened it yet. Let's go ahead and do that. It has the Aveda logo on it, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and just so I believe this is something that you can wear while in class. I know I see a few people around campus wearing theirs while in class, and I know that there's a way that you can fold it and whatnot. I haven't learned that way yet, so I'm going to do that today in class. Cute little apron. Next, we're going to have a few brushes. I have my Aveda Daily Effects brush set, and I have my Aveda Special Effects brush set. Those look like. I'm gonna take them out and show you guys. This is gonna be your Daily Effects brushes here. And here are the Special Effects brushes. We're going to be getting a paddle brush, which is right here. Let me go ahead and open it for you guys. Just looks like this. Has the Aveda logo on it. Really cute. Nice little paddle brush. And one thing I do love about Aveda is they are very in tune with your inner. So they also give you some cute little chakra cards. Cute little chakra cards. So I will be holding on to these. You're going to get 2 bottles for either oils or cleansers right here. You're going to get 2 full-size Aveda creams. One is a hand cream and one is a foot cream. You are going to get 2 full-size dry brushes, which I have practiced with these already. So they are out of the box, but they do come with a little box around the head of the brush. Really cool. This is just my little folder from the first day where we went through the handbook and wrote our intentions for the oncoming phases. You're going to get 2 mask brushes, which look like this. You also get a really cute Aveda pencil sharpener, which is for your lip pencils or maybe your pencil eyeliner, things like that. And they also give you some little appointment cards with the Aveda logo on the front and just some information for you to fill out on the back. And we also got some alcohol in a spray bottle because of COVID, but this will definitely come in handy so you can sanitize and clean everything as you go. So that is it for the little totes. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the big box. Oh, and I also have this cosmetics brush. This one was left out. It was in the other box, but this one comes in your tote. So first thing I pulled out of this box over here is going to be our bowls. We have a small bowl, medium bowl, and a large bowl for facials. We have an Aveda pad that comes with little Aveda pens. I also have the little iPad touchable part on the pen, which is really cool. We have a square handheld mirror, which looks like this. You also get your traveling kit, which my class did not receive a traveling kit with the Aveda logo for some reason. We just received the generic carrying case, which is fine with me. I'm pretty sure they're going to fix that problem in the future, but just a little traveling kit that I'm going to fill up at the end of this video. We also have a bunch of wax applicators, which you will use during the waxing services. We also have a makeup palette, which we will use during facials as well. It looks like this. And we also received a cape. The cape is gonna look like this on your clients. Just like that. We received a nice little spray bottle. Here's another one of those facial brushes. And we received a tweezerman tweezer, some stork scissors, an extractor, and some pointed tweezers. Inside the box, I have another little goodie bag. This one just comes with some things you can look at on Learn Aveda. And a little coupon for me, not for you guys. And so it comes packaged like this. Look how cute. This is just a few little goodies. Botanical repair mask. I believe that's for your hair. This one is a shampoo, sap moss shampoo. This is a sap moss conditioner. This is Shampure. This is Shampure hand and body wash. Gonna set them right there if you guys want to read. This is a hand relief moisturizing cream. This is another botanical repair over here. And one more botanical repair. Looks like we got some stickers too. Some cards. I have an I am Aveda button. Let me show you guys, this one's cute. Have two more buttons. And just another sticker, so that's everything in that one. And last but definitely not least, we have the iPad that you're going to receive in your kit. I already have my lock screen changed on mine. And so, yeah, you guys, that is everything you're going to receive in your kit 2021 for Aveda. I'm going to go ahead and fill up my kit, and I'm going to do that one in time lapse so you guys can see how I will actually, you know, fill my kit. Now I have pretty much filled every crevice in my bag. I am just trying to figure out where am I going to put my wax applicators. I don't know. I think I filled it to the brim. So if any of you guys have an idea of where I can put these, I really do not know. I filled this bad boy to the brim of product, and voila, everything's full, everything is in there. I do have my products I'm going to keep at home because I'm going to put them in my skincare area in my refrigerator, so those are going to stay over there. So yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you're a current Aveda student, or if you're thinking about becoming an Aveda student, I hope this video enlightened you and gave you more information about joining. And definitely watch the vlog if it's not already out, my first day of school. Watch the Aveda vlog and see if you guys like what's happening in there, and I hope this helps you decide if you want to be an Aveda student or not. Don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment. Let me know if you're thinking about going to Aveda, or if this video helped you at all, or if you're a past Aveda student. Subscribe to the channel. I love you all, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.